Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Simply Earth. This is a monthly essential oil recipe box. It's over $110 value and it's only $39 a month and comes with all sorts of awesome things. So first I'm going to dig for my recipe cards and my stickers. They give you stickers for all the items that you can make and your essential oils so that you can label them, which is really awesome. And then this is the December box. So the first recipe is a holiday dinner support roll-on. I love that. Just shake it and apply to your abdomen to support healthy digestion. Now on the backs of the cards, if the recipes don't continue, then there's like little tips and additional information. So this one is just a sneak peek of next month's box, and it tells you what the oils are. Next we have a tassel diffuser. And even shows you how to fix it there, or attach it. Step-by-step picture diagram. Then we have a bright winter day diffuser blend. I bet that smells amazing. Vanilla woods, bergamot, lemon, and bay. They always have really good diffuser blends. On the back of this card, it talks about how they donate 13% of their proceeds to a human trafficking charity. It's awesome that they do that. Then we have a Christmas Groove room spray. On the back of that card, it has the essential oils for this month and their general safety uses. And it talks about the extras in the box as well. Then we have, I don't know how to pronounce that, macrame ornament, possibly. A recipe for that, and that one continues on the back. And then the last one is Relax Massage Oil. And on the back of that card is a note from Katie, who is the recipe formulator at Simply Earth. So here we have the little mini kit. They showed us step-by-steps on how to fix that up and build it. Have an empty spray bottle and then another empty container. Other containers that you would need and carrier oils, those come in your big bonus box, which comes twice a year, every 6 months. And then we have our essential oils. So the first one is Vanilla Woods. And that one has Peru Balsam, benzoin, and vanilla. That smells so good. Then we have lemon eucalyptus. Then we have bergamot. And when it's just a single like essential oil, it tells you like what plant part, the origin, the aromas. I like that. And then the last one is bay. So that's what came in my December box. If you guys would like to see past boxes, I do have a playlist. And if you'd like to sign up for a subscription, I do have a promo code below that will get you a gift card. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.